Today in the state of Maryland, ladies and gentlemen, it's 26 degrees Fahrenheit, sunny. Feels like 32 degrees. Expect sunny skies. The high will be 45 degrees. Air quality, 24 with the green stuff. Wind, just 1 miles per hour. Humidity, nearly 1 inch closer to 60%. Visibility, 9.9 mile. Pressure, 30.18 inch. And finally, dew point, 13 degrees. Now, since it's going to be sunny outside right now, there's no radar and there's no rain, as you can see here. We're going to skip that and move on to the wind. Now, in BWI Airport and even in Baltimore, showing 2 miles per hour. 1 mile per hour in Frederick, 2 miles per hour in Hagerstown, same thing in Cumberland. Pocomoke City. I want you to pronounce this, ladies and gentlemen. Pocomoke. Pocomoke. Pocomoke City, showing a high of the numbers, 6 miles per hour. Salisbury, 5 miles per hour. 4 miles per hour in Easton. 5 miles per hour in Lexington Park. And finally, 1 mile per hour in Washington, just like 1 mile per hour in Frederick. With the clouds. Now, clouds that were showing in the state of Maryland, just a little bit of the clouds. So a little bit of clouds are going to be picking up. So there's no clouds. It's quiet and empty. However, we do have clouds just a little bit. With the humidity, we're showing different colors and all the numbers of the percentage. Let's start off with Baltimore. Baltimore, more than 40%, which is 43%. The highest percentage, which is going to be nearly 60%, which is in Cumberland. 51% in Hagerstown, Frederick 47%, Washington 45%, Easton 37%. That's the orange. And so is orange right here in Salisbury, Lexington Park, and Pocomoke City. So Pocomoke City, 29%, Salisbury 31%, Easton 37%, and finally Lexington Park 38%. In Harford County and Cecil County. Now we do have mostly on the 40%, which is in Harford County and Cecil County. And even in Baltimore County. Now with the visibility, we do have the gray stuff right here in the state of Maryland. So we do have more than 12.4 mile. We're in nearly 30 mile mostly. So we do have the orange stuff, which is going to be more than 30 inch, mostly right here in the state of Maryland and all of these counties where you live. With the dew point is definitely showing the light purple and even the light blue. We're gonna say light purple. So we're showing with more than 10 degrees. However, we do have 12 degrees in Baltimore. Same thing in Cumberland, Hagerstown, and Pocomoke City. And then 10 degrees in Easton and Salisbury. 14 degrees in Frederick. And Washington, 17 degrees. With the air quality, we do have an air quality index that is going to be 23 in Baltimore BWI Airport. So 23, that is good. Easton 31, Salisbury 29, Pocomoke City 27, Washington 17, Lexington Park, 32. Hagerstown, 29. Frederick, 20. Hancock, 22. Cumberland, 29. We're going to start off with Kent County. Alright. So, in Kent County, we do have Rock Hall, 19. Chestertown, 23. And Cecil County, Harford County, and Baltimore County that we're showing with all the 20s and nearly the 20s also. So we do have more than 20s and nearly 20s. Don't forget about Ocean City. We do have 39. That is good. With the pollen. So we're in mostly on the yellow stuff of the moderate. However, we do have the green stuff, which is in Cecil County. Let that thing load. All right. So with the moderate, ladies and gentlemen. So we do have mostly on the 40s. So the only one county that are going to be low on the green stuff, which is in Cecil County. If you live in Cecil County, you will have that are going to be low. Now temperatures are going to be cold outside. So temperatures are going to be cold. So the colors that we're going to get, which is the light blue. So we're in the 20s with more than 20s. And we do have some are going to be on the 30s, 30 degrees even, like Washington and Lexington Park. We do have nearly 30s in Salisbury, Easton, and Pocomoke City. So we're mostly on the 20s. So we do have nearly 30s, which is in Washington, Annapolis, and Rock Hall, which is sunny. Everywhere in Maryland, we do have sunny. So with more than 20s that we got, which is in Perryville, Frederick, Oakland, Cumberland, Hagerstown, Westminster, Elton, and Bel Air. And finally, Easton. The night, the skies will be mostly clear. The low will be 26 degrees. The sunny days, which is 22. Rain and snow days, 6. Average high with more than 50 degrees. Average low, 35 degrees. With the rain days, 19. Average, 0.9 inch. Record showing 0.80 inch with the year of 2011. Snow days, 7. Average, 0.2 inch. Record showing 0.34 inch with the year of 2007. With the sun and moon, sunrise, 6:45 a.m. Sunset, 5:54 p.m. And finally, moonset, 7:27 a.m. Moonrise, 7:07 p.m. So today is going to be sunny around 26 degrees, and then tomorrow is going to be sunny around 56 degrees. Now listen carefully for the rest of the forecast. So Tuesday is going to be partly sunny, around 60 degrees, and then rain showers will be 62 degrees on Wednesday. Thursday is going to be sunny around 45 degrees. Mostly sunny will be Friday, which is 49 degrees. And cloudy is going to be 51 degrees. Now the breakdowns. Today, tomorrow, Thursday will be sunny. And then the only partly sunny that we're going to get is on Tuesday. The only rain showers that we're going to get is on Wednesday. And then the mostly sunny that we're going to get is on Friday. And finally, cloudy will be on Saturday.